Figure, a leading robotics company, has recently unveiled its next-gen conversational humanoid robot with enhanced AI computing capabilities and designed for fully autonomous tasks. The robot features a groundbreaking 3x increase in AI computing power compared to its previous models, enabling more sophisticated decision making, real time processing, and advanced interaction with humans. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Figure 01 robot is representing a major leap forward in the world of robotics. Infused with advanced OpenAI technology, this humanoid robot has quickly gained global attention for its exceptional conversational abilities and versatile functionalities. This upgrade makes the robot more efficient at performing complex autonomous tasks across various sectors such as manufacturing, healthcare, customer service, and logistics. The new humanoid robot from Figure is equipped with state of the art sensors and advanced natural language processing systems, which enables it to engage in more dynamic, human like conversations. This enhanced interaction is geared toward improving user experience and optimizing operational efficiency in environments where human machine collaboration is critical. Additionally, the robot's ability to process multiple data streams simultaneously allows it to adapt to different work environments and make real time decisions without human intervention. This next gen version can perform tasks ranging from simple repetitive duties to more complex operations, making it a versatile addition to industries seeking to automate various processes. Leveraging OpenAI's powerful natural language processing, the Figure 01 robot is capable of engaging in lifelike, context aware conversations with humans. It can comprehend complex commands, respond intelligently, and even adapt its tone and language based on the situation. Figure's latest innovation is part of the broader trend toward integrating AI driven robots into the workforce, where they can assume critical roles in areas such as service industries, precision work in factories, and even caregiving roles in healthcare. The introduction of the Figure 01 robot heralds a new era of AI driven automation, bringing humanoid robotics closer to mainstream use across various industries. Its human like conversational capabilities, coupled with autonomous task management, make it a transformative tool for businesses aiming to enhance both customer experiences and operational efficiency. As AI and robotics converge, Figure 01 is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of human machine collaboration, signaling a major shift in how we integrate humanoid robots into everyday life and workspaces. Let's look into today's headlines. New feature for Google Photos to generate memory recaps using Gemini AI. It looks like Google Photos is working on a new feature that would use the company's artificial intelligence model Gemini to create recap memories. Found during an Android APK deconstruction, the functionality might narrate memories and provide appropriate context rather than merely assembling photos slideshows based on a variety of data. This month, the app has already received many updates, adding new features like a speed tool, an auto enhance option, and an enhanced trim tool. Airtel releases AI powered spam detection system that analyzes 1 trillion data instantly. The first AI powered spam detection solution in India has been unveiled by Bharti Airtel, and it will drastically cut down on spam calls and SMS for its customers. It is a first of its kind solution, according to Airtel, that alerts consumers in real time about alleged spam calls and SMSs for free. It is activated automatically for all subscribers on the Airtel network. Zoho launches Vikra and Zoho IoT and reports 31% increase in customers in India. Vikra, a seller app for the Open Network for Digital Commerce (ONDC) network, and Zoho IoT, an engaging and scalable low-code platform that lets companies create and implement unique IoT solutions, are the latest products from Zoho. Additionally, the corporation reported that in 2023, its customer base in India increased by 31%. The announcements were made during the company's yearly user conference, Zoholix India. Commvault to increase AWS data security through $47 million purchase of Clumio. In order to provide quicker recovery for applications hosted on AWS, Commvault intends to acquire Clumio, a data protection startup started by a former executive from Nutanix, VMware, and Oracle. With Commvault's proposed acquisition of Clumio, Amazon S3 data will be quickly recovered in the event of hacks or major outages. Through the transaction, Clumio will be able to expand its services globally, and Commvault's data protection and quick recovery offering will be strengthened. This will allow the company's cloud-native protection technologies to reach a wider audience. Foxconn might spend $1 billion in Tamil Nadu for smartphone facilities supporting Apple. Foxconn is considering spending $1 billion to establish a smartphone display module assembly plant in Tamil Nadu. This will be Foxconn's first display module plant constructed in India, and it will help in Apple's iPhone manufacturing. Components from this plant may also be used by other manufacturers such as Tata Electronics or Pegatron. Foxconn secured 5 lakh square feet at an industrial park in Oragadam near Chennai, which is next to its existing smartphone assembly plant. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.